Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. A look at the US markets. So when it goes down, it keeps going down. When it goes up, it keeps going up. And Nasdaq was nearly 10% in the last few days. But that 10% doesn't come so easily, but it goes down, it goes up, gap up, all kinds of things. And especially yesterday, it was higher for second straight day. And now for third straight day, it's likely to open positive because the US futures are significantly higher. And that's because the Netflix has come out with a good result. And Netflix is one of the stocks they were heavy shorting. And just imagine what will happen if Apple comes out with a good result, because I heard that Apple is the most heavily shorted stock as of now. So anyway, so that is how US markets move, very big up move, very big down move. As I told you, they are in the bottom finding process in the longer time frame. And markets tend to move 8 to 10% up or down multiple times. So as expected, Asian markets are higher, but SGX Nifty, for one or the other reason, was not really that enthusiastic. And yesterday, in fact, for most part of the day, yesterday night in SGX, it was trading lower. And now Asian markets are higher. Now that has also recovered. But still, SGX Nifty is only hardly 10 to 20 point higher. And yesterday, the Nifty closed slightly above the resistance zone of 17,400 to 17,500. So definitely this is a very, very big and positive signal. And I will be turning bullish now. 17,500, and as I told you, it's above the 50% Fibonacci retracement. That's one thing. Second thing, globally, corporate results are turning around the US markets, and India also. Corporate results seems to be very good so far. And just imagine if Reliance, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, these are the three index heavyweights declaring the results in 1 or 2 days time. So if they come out with a good results, markets can go easily another 200 to 300 point. And I will not be surprised even if it goes 400, 500 points. So, when HDFC Bank has come out with the good results, so there is no reason for other companies to come out with bad results. So today, IndusInd Bank is coming out with results, and people are expecting good results from IndusInd Bank also. So definitely now any intraday dip is a buying opportunity, and or one can sell put options slightly away. Yesterday, I have sold 17,400, 17,300, 17,200 put options heavily. They are for weekly expiry. And, just today, one day, if the markets are not falling, so those premiums will go down by 50% because of time value. And tomorrow, as long as there is no big gap down, so we will make some good money. Today, I am planning to sell put options at 17,200 and below for the next week. So far I've been selling options below 17,000, but now I'm planning to shift to 17,100 and 17,200. That's because I'm taking more bullish view now. And another reason why I'm taking bullish view, look at the India VIX. It fell more than 10% on Friday, and on top of which another 5% yesterday. So taking the total fall more than 15% in 2 trading sessions. I think only on Monday it was slightly higher. So in fact, I tell you one interesting story. I sold 21,000 call option Nifty expiring in December 2023. I repeat, I sold Nifty 21,000 call option expiring in December 2023, about 1 week, 10 days before. And after I sold, Nifty rallied 400 points. And even after Nifty rallying 400 points, and that call option which I sold, it did not go up even by 1 rupee. In fact, it is trading slightly lower or at the same price. Of course, there will be some liquidity issue. So even then, that one is very, very surprising. That's because the India VIX has fallen by 15%. So, in fact, I'll be sharing this strategy in one of my friends' YouTube channel, Anand Ladar, and his YouTube channel is Invest Arch for Kal. So I think that video will be released very soon, maybe in another 1 week to 10 days. Another surprise, not only the VIX, the domestic institutional buying. Domestic institutions have bought for more than 2,000 crores, while FII is selling only about 100 plus crore. Why this is surprising? Usually, domestic institutions support the market when there is a big gap down. But yesterday, it was a big gap up. So now FIIs are buying, domestic institutions are buying even on the big gap up. And usually they buy only at the lower end of the trading range, but now they are buying even upper end of the trading range also. So this shows that, the domestic institutions are all out to kill the bears of this FII. And FIIs in F&O, I told you a few days before, and they are holding record amount of short positions in October, and markets are not budging. So in fact, I told you, quoting a CNBC analysis, that whenever this has happened, and uniformly it is the retail people who won the game, not the FIIs. So that is also very evident. But at the same time, so FIIs are also not really dumb people, and for every short they are holding, they would have bought some option. So their loss probably may not be very big, but still definitely they would have lost. So now, by looking at this, I feel that for today and tomorrow, 17,400 should be the support, and resistance, I would say, I will not be surprised even if market goes to 17,800 or 18,000, but that may not happen tomorrow. So that may happen in the monthly expiry. So because I sense the momentum, so I cut all my call options, and I'm just holding put options only. But of course, market can reverse anytime. So I cut all my put options which are very, very near. I'm just holding the put options which are far away. So that means in monthly options, I squared off all my call options, and I sold put option at 17,000 and below. As I told you, I may be planning to sell 17.1 and 17.2 today. So I used to say, just for fun, option seller game is like a monkey story that you read in primary 1. So two cats, so they find one food, don't know how to share, they got a monkey. So monkey keep on balancing the pan. So that's why as an options trader, I keep on balancing a put and call on both the sides of the pan. So right now everything is bullish, and yesterday, surprisingly, though market was so bullish, and HDFC was down and HDFC Bank was flat. So if any rally happens in those two stocks, and then you will see the momentum will be picking up on the higher side. So today, IndusInd Bank will be in focus, HDFC Twins will be focused, and ICICI, Kotak Bank and Reliance ahead of the results. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So you can see visibly I'm a bit tired because of yesterday night travel from Delhi to Chennai. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.